So I have plans today to install a light bar. So this is a 50, I believe it's 50-inch light bar or 60. I ordered it a while ago, but only had time to open it just now. So let's see the packaging. Here's some wiring. Have a button for on-off, relay, wiring, fuse, and this is looks like it's going to be a long kit. There's going to be plenty from the battery to get to the inside. What else? Mounting brackets. Yeah, this is mounting brackets. Oh, this is the brackets for these lights. Well, we need to go to installation guide or something. So this is the small lights that I will install probably for the backup lights. And so this is the brochure. Oh yeah, the brochure of installation. How to connect the lights with the relay, fuse, and light. And this is how to connect the small lights or how to connect to the bar. So I never did it before, so I'll take you guys along with me. And this is the main part. I will not take everything out, but as you can see, so it have a flood and a spot. So as you can see, the different type of the bulbs setup. This is the connections. This is the mounting side. Yep, so my plans today to install it on this beauty. It's 99 Ford F350 that I'm slowly making it for a newer one for 2010 year, kind of. So let's install it.